How to print first? The first step is to measure its diameter. What is the diameter of this product? Bosch here is a parameter setting. The diameter of the product Bosch. You can also play Bosch wise. It is based on the size of this product. It's okay to adjust to Bosch. Then print the first color. Open playback. I heard how big your product is. That parameter so has a diameter. The diameter of the product is as large as the diameter of the product. No gears. After you print this color, just the color label. How to adjust the color code? There's a bit control. Turn it on. Here is the pass. This is open. What about after opening it? Connection-based products. How to adjust to the color mark? There's a red dot coming out. Focus. Do you see this red dot? Now move away and it will spread out. You can see it. No to spread out. Come closer. Approach slowly. See a brightest point appear. It's a dot, the brightest. That's it. Fix it up. Lock it up. Then turn this. Hold this to ACH. Press and hold for 10 seconds. Flash. Appear flickering. You can just flip it over by hand. You can do it here. What about forward and reverse? It can also be no problem. You slowly put it over. See the first color. Do you see it? A green dot appears. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Did you shoot? Do you see it? It turns up with a green dot. This is the color no point. Matter how red it is, sometimes it doesn't matter. You watch it rotate first. Touch this color. Don't look at this. There's click a green this dot. Again to come here. Just click it again. The color palette is completed. Manually in your color code. It's here. Come here. The offset angle is first set to the offset angle is manual edge closing. This is the position how you adjusted the position. A gear slip. How to reset. No, come here and see. No, his place is not in little slippage. It can be like this. Okay, you can push him like this. After this is loosened, so go ahead. Go forward a little more. Tighter. That way it won't slip. The location is right at the location of our iron bridge. Stop right here. Dot here. He stops here every time. Then that's it. Then take a photo. What about after it is printed? Color fits it or not? And according to this situation, an offset. So where does how this much start? The difference now? Don't be biased to 10. Then adjust it slowly according to his situation. This is fine-tuning. How to adjust the color code. Yes, positive
or
and
negative.
negative. This
Whatever
depends
you
on
want
how
to
that
set.
situation
When
go
printed.
this way first. Just go to the negative one over
Or
there.
it can
also be adjusted according to the situation. This keyboard can make it not turn. It's been turning now. Rotate it to 0. In this case, is the password still not rotated?